How to earn money on YouTube. You can earn money on YouTube by applying for and being accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. You may also qualify to receive Shorts bonuses as part of the YouTube Shorts Fund without being in the YouTube Partner Program. A few notes. We won't tell you what you can create on YouTube, but we do have a responsibility to do right by our viewers, creators and advertisers. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube Partner Program, we hold you to a higher standard. To make sure we're rewarding good creators, we review your channel before you're accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. We also constantly review channels to make sure you're meeting all our policies and guidelines. Channels do not need to be monetizing on YouTube to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Creators in the YouTube Partner Program and channels that are a part of a multi-channel network, MCN, are still eligible. You may be liable to pay taxes on your earnings from YouTube. Find out more below. Ways to make money in the YouTube Partner Program. You can make money on YouTube through the following features. Advertising revenue. Get ad revenue from display, overlay, and video ads. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Your fans pay to get their messages highlighted in chat streams. Channel memberships. Your members make recurring monthly payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. YouTube Premium revenue. Get part of a YouTube Premium subscriber's subscription fee when they watch your content. Merch shelf. Your fans can browse and buy official branded merchandise that's showcased on your watch pages. Each feature has its own set of eligibility requirements on top of subscriber and view count requirements. If our reviewers believe that your channel or video is not eligible, specific features may not be available. These extra thresholds exist for two main reasons. The most important one is that we have to meet legal requirements in every area where the feature is available. Then, because we want to reward good creators, we need to make sure we have enough context on your channel. Generally, this context means we need more content to look at. Keep in mind that we constantly review channels to make sure your content is in line with our policies. Minimum eligibility requirements to turn on monetization features. Keep in mind that each feature has its own requirements. Some features may not be available to you due to local legal requirements. Once you've been accepted in the YouTube Partner Program, you may get access to these monetization features. Requirements. Ad revenue. Be at least 18 years old, or have a legal guardian older than 18 years of age who can handle your payments via AdSense. Create content that meets our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Channel memberships. Be at least 18 years old. Have more than 1,000 subscribers. Merch shelf. Be at least 18 years old. Have more than 10,000 subscribers. Super chat and super stickers. Be at least 18 years old. Live in a country, region where super chat is available. YouTube Premium revenue. Create content watched by a viewer who is a YouTube Premium subscriber. YouTube Shorts Fund. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a $100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making creative, original shorts that delight the YouTube community. We'll reach out to thousands of creators each month to tell them that they qualify for a shorts bonus from the fund. Shorts bonus. Be in one of these countries, regions. Algeria, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Iraq, Italy, Japan, Jordan. Kuwait, Lebanon, Malaysia, Mexico, Morocco, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nigeria, Norway. Philippines, Poland, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland. Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Vietnam. Algeria, Argentina, Australia, Bahrain, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Denmark, Egypt. Creators 13 to 18 years old must have a parent or guardian accept terms and set up an AdSense account for payment when one isn't already linked to their channel. Have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days.